The SickLAB was really created to invite people to be involved in the program of the festival and to bring their own ideas and perspective and vision of what we were talking about. So when we invite philosophers or engineers or people who make music to think with us, then our program gets richer, but also our understanding of this topic we picked also gets really interdisciplinary and gets really exciting. This is why we created this lab. This year the theme of the festival is modding realities. So we took the term modding from gaming. So this is people who transform the game itself, the code, the colors, the way of playing. So basically we're looking how does gaming, digital culture, all this new technology which gives us more and more space in digital world transform what we call reality.
In this video you can see the progress that we made during the year.
Allegory of the cave revolves around the idea that we never see reality in its true form because we are bound in a cave, seeing only the reflection of reality as a shadow on the walls of the cave. So we basically are not capable of turning around and looking outside the cave how reality actually looks. So things are always going through filters, and this is the representation of reality as we know it.
It's like a comic book but then animated.
An interactive, cooperative storytelling game. Through stories you can shape how you understand the world. So there is this direct link with modding reality. Yeah, stories have real world consequences. They shape how we think or what we understand about something. They are really powerful tools for how we are in the world. SickLAB was divided in 3 working weekends, for which 3 artists were invited.
We invited Zoraida Butter, a playful curator.
I'm a curator indeed, which means I go to a lot of places and see a lot of work, and then I try to bring it to different places, be it in games or in art settings, exhibitions, festivals and stuff. It's always about playful interaction between people mostly.
She tried to make us think about the rules of games and the way we would play with each other. So it was all about a playful interaction.
With Zoraida, we were at the early stage of our project. We had early prototypes and we were trying to figure out how to put the pieces together with her.
The idea is really, we go back to basic, we take pocket lights and we try to see what happens. So.
Try to iterate and play test and remind yourself of playfulness.
You helped everybody to be critical, to try to look further, to try to refocus. That was a nice first working weekend. Thank you. I bought bread and spread and vegetables, only healthy stuff. We invited Jacob Lacour, an interactive artist.
So I want to look at your project and try to figure out where you are in the process and try to give you advice and methods and support to develop your projects. That's my main goal to be here.
He was invited to bring some intensity to the work of the group and try to help all of us to focus on what we wanted to say and wanted to express through the artwork.
In our society, we have a tendency to get so focused on our cognitive abilities. And for me, creativity is about opening up our full body, like being really ready to not just be in our heads, but using our full capacity.
Jacobs let us build prototypes and we were going to test them with new people at the Robson.
So today the story will be in outer space.
So we have the character you have chosen and you can control it up here.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
My point with this test is really to show you how important it is to just try to do the test, not evaluate it, not comment it, not try to change it, but just leading people through the test and play along. It's supposed to show where the project is not totally streamlined.
With Jacob, we had like the more concrete prototype. With Zoraida, we did like initial iterations of what we wanted to accomplish. And with Jacob, we polish that prototype and have like a functional prototype with him.
We invited Teos, a duo of creative designers.
With Teos, I learned about the importance of design and the importance of the details. So them as designers have like a keen eye on how things look and how the details matter. After these 3 working weekends, we applied this knowledge and insights in our installations, so come and check them out.